Welcome to Infotrix Zone. Today we have an interesting scrambled words game. There are total 10 questions and you have 10 seconds for each question. Question 1. And it is something that uses brain. The correct answer is memory. Question number 2. Ant. It is a small animal. The correct answer is rabbit. Question number 3. And this can show you your face. The correct answer is camera. Question number 4. And this is associated with time. The correct answer is August. Question number 5. And this can be your friend. The correct answer is fellow. Question number 6. And it is a quality, sharp. The correct answer is clever. Question number 7. And it is related to students. The correct answer is school. Question number 8. It is related to light. The correct answer is candle. Question number 9. And it is a fruit. The correct answer is banana. Question number 10. And it is a profession. The correct answer is teacher. Thank you.